On December 7th, 2025, officers initiated a traffic stop on a vehicle for exceeding the posted speed limit.
Officer Hoshboon and police, I got a body cam around. The reason I pulled you over is, for one, you didn't use the turn signal when you're coming out of Cadillac Jacks, and you're going 48 on Main Street here. Is there any reason you're going so fast?
Anything you just said.
Alright, I pulled you over because you didn't use the turn signal coming out of Cadillac Jacks, and you're going 48 on Main Street here. Do you know the speed limit here?
I do. I live here. I have to pee. I'm going down the street to my friend's house. And I was in Cadillac Jacks. They didn't want to let me go to the bathroom.
I can't hear you. Say it a little bit louder.
I said, I understand what you're saying. You said I was going over the speed limit, leaving Cadillac Jacks, or whatever. And I wasn't trying to. I'm going to my friend's house. I have to use the bathroom.
Okay.
They weren't trying to let anyone use the bathroom after, 2 o'clock. They shut it down. And my friend lives off of like Four Seasons, very closely.
Okay.
I was trying to get out of the parking lot, so that's my only excuse. There's really no excuse.
Okay.
I just have to pee, and when I go to the bathroom, I get to my friend's house.
Okay. Do you have your license? Yeah. And just insurance.
My insurance is on my phone.
That's fine. How many drinks would you say you've had tonight?
I haven't really been drinking. I really just have to pee, honestly. And I'm not trying to pee on myself. I've peed on myself in the car, and it's not pleasant trying to get that out.
I gotcha. I can kind of smell it on you, though. So just, you want to be honest and just tell me how much you've had?
I'm sure.
What's that? I can't hear you, sorry.
I didn't say anything.
Okay. All right, go ahead and hang out here. I'll be right back with you, okay? All right, Miss Bass. I need to just make sure that you're good to drive. So I'd like to run you through a few tests. If you're good to drive, I'll get you out of here, okay?
Out the car,
Well, you are going to get out of the car. If you don't get out of the car, I'm going to take you out of the car, and you're going to get a resisting charge, and you'll go to jail for that. As of right now, you're not going to jail. What's that?
I haven't done anything wrong. I just want to go to the bathroom. Can we go to Hutz, and I can pee, and I can do your test? I just really have to go to the bathroom. Like, I've already peed on myself a little bit.
Okay, I'll tell you what. If you want to hop in the back of my car, I'll take you to the police department. You can go to the bathroom there. I can run you through the test here. We can come back here.
I'm not doing that either.
I'm going to have you step out of the car so I can run you through these tests. Otherwise, I'm going to take you out of the car, and you're going to go to jail for resisting.
Well, that's against my right.
So are you going to get out of the car, or am I going to have to take you out?
Why do I have to get out of the car?
Because I'm telling you to. Pennsylvania versus MIMS allows me to order you out of the car.
What am I getting out of the car?
Pennsylvania versus MIMS allows me to take you out of the car.
We're in Illinois.
This is one of the most important legal moments in the entire video. When the officer cites Pennsylvania versus MIMS, he's referencing a U.S. Supreme Court decision that allows officers to order a driver out of a vehicle during a lawful traffic stop, without needing additional suspicion. That part is crucial. Whether the driver agrees, understands, or feels it's unfair doesn't change the legality of the order. Refusing that command can legally open the door to removal from the vehicle and additional charges. The tragedy here is that this ruling isn't widely understood, and once refusal happens, officers are legally allowed to escalate. Do you think citizens should be better educated on rulings like this, or should officers do more explaining in moments like these?
Doesn't matter. It's a Supreme Court case.
I wasn't speeding.
Are you going to get out of the car or not?
Wrong. I'm not going to get out of the car.
This is your last chance. I'm going to have you get out of the car. If you don't, I'm going to take you out.
The police have me pulled over. They're trying to take me to jail. He's trying to open my car. No, because I can really have my window pulled up. And now you're using excessive force.
Go ahead and step out, okay?
You're using excessive force trying to pull me out the car.
No, it's the law. So just hop out.
No, like, get off of me. No, get off of me. Get the off of me.
Get out of the car.
If I have a bruise, that's on you, and I'm still. Ow! Ow! Get the off of me. No, they're hurting me. They're hurting me. They're hurting me.
Where you at?
They're hurting me. They're hurting me. I haven't done anything wrong. I didn't do anything wrong. I didn't do anything wrong. I didn't do anything wrong.
This is where the situation hits its emotional breaking point. The driver is pulled from the vehicle after repeated refusals to exit, and from her perspective, this feels sudden, violent, and unjustified. From the officer's perspective, they believe they're enforcing a lawful command that's been ignored multiple times. What makes this moment so intense is that both sides believe they're right, and neither is backing down. Once physical force is introduced, everything changes. Perception, adrenaline, and legal consequences. The emotional distress is real here, but so is the legal reality that refusing commands can spiral fast. Ask yourself honestly, at this point, could anyone have slowed this down?
That's crazy. And I'm gonna have a bruise on my face, and my knees, and my chest, and my arm. Help me! G, tell Tamir to look at my location. Get off of me!
Sit on your
Get
side.
off
Sit
of
on
me!
your side.
No, you
Move your
guys
side so you
already
can get
did too much. No,
You gotta
I
stand
should
up.
not be off the car right now.
Stand up.
I should not be off the car. You dragged me off the fucking car.
You gonna sit up
my
or not?
knees are fucking
Stand
straight.
up.
My forehead is fucking straight.
Stand up.
My forehead is fucking straight.
Let's go, get
My
up.
knees are fucking straight. For what?
Come on.
For
Stand
what?
up. Come on, stand up.
For what?
You can do that
For
if you
white
stand up,
fucking
all right?
privilege? Like,
Stand
be
up.
fucking for real. I'm not standing up. I didn't do anything wrong.
Okay.
I'm still trying
That's
to figure
another
out.
charge resisting police officer for not standing up when we tell you.
What
to,
do you
okay?
mean resisting?
Yes.
You haven't told me what I've been arrested for.
He just told you like 4 times
No,
standing
you
at the door.
didn't tell me 4 times.
Yeah.
You just got here. He was here.
I'm
You just got
standing here the whole
Be
time.
fucking for real.
I am for real.
I know my rights.
Okay. I don't know if you
And
do.
that's crazy.
Hello?
I'm by Huts. I'm by Huts.
All right. You won't go ahead and
Okay, I'm coming over there.
He's more than welcome to, but you won't be here.
He is
so.
very more than welcome
Stand
to.
up.
Okay, I don't need your help. Get off of me. I don't need
Stand
your
up.
help.
Stand
I
up.
can stand up myself. Please get off
We're
of me.
waiting.
Both
Stand
of
up.
you, please let my
You
hands
can go ahead and
go.
get another charge.
Please
That's
let
fine.
I don't need your help standing up. Please let me go.
Stand up.
Can you both let me go? I
No.
will stand up on my own.
Stand up.
I can stand up on my
That's a
own.
3rd charge. Stand up.
What do you mean? I can stand up on my own and you're both still holding me against my rights. I can stand up.
You are
Let
under
me
arrest.
go.
You're under arrest.
This is where a lot of viewers get confused, and understandably so. Resisting arrest doesn't always mean fighting, punching, or running. In many jurisdictions, it includes refusing lawful commands, tensing up, or failing to comply with physical guidance during detention. The driver repeatedly insists she can comply if officers let go, while officers interpret her behavior as continued resistance. This back and forth creates a legal gray area that often ends up being decided in court, not on the roadside. The big question here is intent versus perception. Was this deliberate resistance, or a breakdown in communication made worse by stress and fear?
How? For what?
Resisting a
What am
police
I?
officer.
I can stand up on my own,
We're waiting.
and you won't let my
waiting.
arms go. You guys are holding me against my will. I can stand up on my own.
You're under
I
arrest.
can very much stand up on my own, but you both still have your hands on me. Let me go. Thank you.
Stand
Thank
up.
you. I can do that.
All right, perfect.
Thank you. I very much can.
All right.
Can you move? You're in my way.
I'm not gonna move. You can stand up.
No, move over there.
Would you
so
stop
I can
and
stand
just
up.
come on?
What do you mean, can I stop?
This is tiring. Stand
No,
up.
you're tiring.
Being an adult.
This white
Stand
fucking
up.
privilege. Exactly. I stood up
Okay,
on my
let's go.
own.
Come on.
Let me go.
Nope.
Let me go. What am I being arrested for?
Told you 3 times already.
What was the first, third, second time? Resisting. How? How? Let me go. Get off of me. Get off of me.
Sit down in the car.
No, for what?
Yes, you're under
Okay.
arrest.
Sitting.
Put your feet in.
What am I being arrested for?
I told you 3 times. Put your feet
What
in.
am I being arrested for, Freeman?
Put your feet in, or you're gonna be assisted
What am I
into the
being
car.
arrested for?
Resisting
Can
a
you
peace
tell
officer.
me what I'm
Resisting a peace officer.
How am I resisting and I've been compliant? You pulled me out of my car.
Is your name Ashley?
No, it's not.
What is your name?
It's not my name.
What is
You
your
don't
name?
even know my f***ing name.
What is your name?
You tell me. You pulled up here like, you know?
Aston.
You don't even know my name.
So here's-
You're just pulling me
Here's the option.
and
Here's the
dragging me
option.
for
Here
what?
comes charge number 4.
Charge number 4.
Put your feet
There's
in the
no
car.
1, 2, or 3.
Yes,
I
there
didn't
is.
do anything wrong.
Put your feet in the
I
car,
didn't do anything
or
wrong.
we're
I
going to
pulled
assist
over.
you into the car.
I pulled over.
Put your feet in
Right.
the car, or we're going to assist
No one
you
told
into
me
the car.
anything. I gave my license. No
Put
one
your
told
feet
me
in the car,
anything.
or we're going to assist you into the car.
Of course you are.
Okay, put your feet in the car, please.
For what?
You're going to jail.
For what?
Resisting a peace officer. We've been
I'm
over
not
this.
resisting.
All right.
I haven't resisted anything.
There's charge number 4.
Charge number 4?
Yes.
I'm taking y'all to court.
Go ahead.
That's fine.
I will.
We get overtime for it. Get in the car.
I know.
Okay, he's
Been
going to
there,
help you
done
in the
that.
car if you don't get
I
in the
don't
car.
need help.
This is your last
Like I
warning.
didn't need
Just
help
get
out the
it.
car.
This is your last warning. Get in the car.
I haven't done anything wrong. And don't touch me.
Get in
I don't
the
want to
car.
be touched.
Get in the car.
I don't
If
need
you don't
help
put your
doing
feet in.
anything. I don't need help doing anything. I'm trying to understand. You keep saying resisting arrest.
When you don't
No one
listen to
told
us,
me what I was
we're
being
ordering
arrested
you to
for.
do
You're
Just-
talking
just
about
go ahead.
resisting.
Get in the car.
You're manhandling me.
Yes,
You're
you are.
manhandling me, and it's against my fucking right.
All right. So I'm going to explain this to you. Are you willing
You
to
don't have
listen to it or
explain
not?
anything to me. I didn't do anything wrong.
Are you going to listen to me? Can we talk like adults, please?
Adults, you manhandled me out of my car for no reason.
Do you want to know why that happened?
It doesn't matter why it happened. I didn't do anything wrong.
It does matter.
So what did you manhandle me for? Because somebody
When
else.
I asked you 4 or 5 times to get out of the car, I explained to you the.
didn't ask me
let's
4 or 5
let's simmer
times
down
to get
for a
out of
second so I
anything.
can talk to you.
You did not.
So there's a
ask
court
me.
case.
Okay.
I didn't ask you.
Is your
I
camera
ordered you.
recording?
Yep.
You did not ask me 4 or 5 times to get out of anything. First of all.
What you
Second
can do
of
is you
all,
can FOIA this
when
body
you
camera and
did,
see how wrong you are.
Stop cutting me off. You
You stop
never
cutting me
asked
off.
me to get out of my car.
So I'm gonna have you step out of the car.
The time you did, your friend pulled up, and you guys dragged me out of my car and have scrapes on my knees and my forehead because of that. And I'm suing.
You're
sir.
born in '95, right? So you're not a child
What are you
anymore.
looking
can
for?
listen. You understand
What
that?
are you looking for, officer?
Your car is
What did
being
you
towed.
think?
Are you
Okay,
gonna
I
shut
don't
up
give
and
a
listen?
What are you looking for?
Are you gonna shut
What
up
were
and
you
listen?
looking? What were you looking for in my
Oh.
car? What did you stop me for? I'm suing. I have nothing to do with whatever you and your department is looking for.
My department's
I'm
not
a
looking
single
for
mother
anything. Where's
of
your
a
kid?
son.
Where is your child?
Don't
at?
worry about where my son's
Is he-
at. That's not your business.
If he's at home alone, it is our business.
It's not your business.
Does he have somebody taking care of
It's
him?
not your business where my son is at.
Does your son have someone taking
It's
care
not
of him?
your business where my son is at. Again, how you're talking is how I know you have nothing to do with anything. So I'm suing. You have no reason to pull me over again. You have no reason. You have nothing to go on. And I'm suing the f out of BPD. I don't even live in Bloomington. So
Okay.
again, do what you want to do. I refuse all tests. I
Okay.
refuse it.
Okay.
Okay.
Here's another critical legal reality check. Yes, you can refuse field sobriety tests in many states, but refusal often comes with consequences, including arrest, license suspension, or mandatory chemical testing at a hospital. When officers mention going to the hospital, they're referring to implied consent laws, which can allow blood draws under certain conditions. The driver believes refusing protects her rights, while officers interpret refusal as further evidence of impairment. This is where knowing the law ahead of time matters, because roadside decisions can carry long-term consequences. Would you have refused here or complied to avoid escalation?
Well, we're gonna go to the hospital then.
We're not, and I refuse them tests.
Are you driving?
I know my rights. I work in healthcare. I refuse.
Well, I don't know for how much longer with this
What do you
charge.
mean, how much longer?
With
I didn't
this
do
charge,
anything
it doesn't
wrong.
look that great.
I've done nothing wrong. What do you mean?
So
False
we're gonna
charges.
go to the hospital.
False charges.
If you refuse,
False charges.
are you gonna listen?
Hush.
That is my
False
name.
charges. You pulled me over because I was black, or because
How am I gonna see you? It's 2 o'clock in the morning.
how
am I gonna know if
what
you're
the
black?
you want to do? Hush. How do the
How does that make any
I
sense?
don't know. How
I'm
would I know?
behind you, and
How
I
would
saw you out. How do I
would
know what color
know?
you
How would
are?
I
You always gotta make
How
it
would I-
outrageous.
why'd you pull me
There's
over
no
in
reason
front?
to do that.
Why did you drag me out my car?
Because you didn't listen.
No, you asked me one time, and then your homeboy came and dragged me out the car with you. Again, I'm suing. I have.
So once-
you had no reason to pull me over.
Once
You
this female gets here, she's
what
gonna search
What am I
you.
being pulled over for? What,
Oh my God.
Like you can search the car. Ain't shit in my.
Fuck. All right, Miss Bass, go ahead and hop out for me. When you do, turn around and face the car for me,
For what?
because I said so.
You're not God. I haven't done anything wrong. You still haven't told me what I'm being arrested for.
Like 10 times now.
What do you mean? My hands are on my body.
Away from your body is what I
I
said.
can't.
Face the car.
I am facing the car.
With your eyes. Look
I
at
don't
the car.
have to. I don't. I'm suing the out of y'all. No one's telling me what I'm being arrested for in the first place.
So I take you in here, run you through these tests.
I'm not doing any tests. I refuse.
That's fine. You can do that.
I know.
We're still going to take you over there to do it, though.
I'm not doing it.
That's fine. All
I'm
right.
telling you.
We're still going to attempt it.
Don't touch me. I can walk on my own.
You're in
I
handcuffs.
can walk, and I can. I
You
know
are in
that.
handcuffs.
I
Listen.
can walk on my own. What is
We
the
are-
problem?
we
I
are
can walk
already-
on my own. Lead me the way. I don't need help. I can walk on my own. I can walk
That's
on my
not gonna
own.
happen,
Don't
because if
touch
you
me.
fall while you're in
I do
handcuffs,
not
that's
want to be touched.
That doesn't matter.
I am telling you, I do not want to be touched. You really have no lawfully reason to arrest me.
What lawsuit
That's
do
why
we
he
have?
let go. Let the f- go.
No,
so
I'm
let's
just annoyed.
No.
please let the go. All right, you're a part of this lawsuit too.
By the end of this encounter, what began as a speeding stop results in a citation, a DUI charge, and a resisting arrest charge, 3 serious outcomes from a single interaction. This case highlights how quickly traffic stops can escalate, how Supreme Court rulings like Pennsylvania versus Mims directly impact real-world encounters, and how misunderstanding your rights can sometimes make situations worse instead of better. Whether you believe the officers acted appropriately or feel this situation spiraled unnecessarily, one thing is clear: education, communication, and composure matter on both sides of the badge. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.